8.8, part 2. We're going to continue solving these equations. This equation has a square root on the left and the right side of the equation. So to undo those square roots, we're going to square both sides. And what you get is an x plus 2 on the left. On the right, you get 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And then the square root of x times the square root of x is x. Now we'll solve this linear equation. So we'll combine like terms. So we're going to subtract an x from both sides. So 16x minus x will give us 15x. And then divide both sides by 15. The 15s will cancel. And so we're left with x equaling 2 15s. Last example. This looks a little different than the other ones. When you have something raised to the 1/3 power, remember that can be rewritten as a radical, where we have the 2x plus 1 is your radicand raised to the 1 power, and then my index is 3 equals 2, just stays on the right. So we want to remove that cube root. So to undo the cubed root, we're going to cube both sides.
Yeah.
So cube and cube. What happens then is the cubed root and the cube will cancel out, and you're left with just 2x plus 1. On the right, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Now we solve this equation for x. So we'll subtract 1 from both sides, reduce that 8 minus 1, which is 7, and then divide by 2. So our final answer is x equals 7/2, or if you want in decimal form, 3.5. That's the continuation of our lesson for today. This will be the assignment for 8.8.